Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm going to be showing you how I do bead trays in my hair today. We're going to start off with the products I used before blow drying. I used Olaplex number 6 and mixed it with Olaplex number 7 to help smooth out my hair because it gets a little frizzy. So my hair is dry, so now I'm going to section it and start curling. To curl, I use a 1 1/4 inch curling iron every time. I'm going to take my curling iron, I bring my hair towards my face, and I take my iron and I start by curling my hair. So for the section on the left side, I'm going to also curl it away from my face, having the curling iron go the clasp facing up and twirling in. So now we're basically going to do the same thing, just moving up towards the top, and take my next section. So now we're on the last section. We're going to do the front now, we're on the face. Clasp this towards me, turning out away from the face. Dropping it. So now that that's done, we're going to use finishers. So I usually use hairspray or texture spray. Finisher, I'm going to use hairspray. I'm going to flip my hair over. Spray. Work it through. Then flip. Add a little bit more body. And just run my fingers through it because I like a little bit of like a looser curl.